Alright everybody, we're now going to go for a ride in our 2000 Ford Mustang. Really nice car. Smells like a new car. Has a fresh orange paint job with a tan interior. As you can see, everything's pretty clean in this car. Our gauges work pretty well. The only thing that's different here is we got our new upgraded flat touchscreen radio with Bluetooth. We've got the nice, very nice blow cooling AC. But yet again, who needs AC when you got a nice convertible top that blows the wind right in your face? Handles really well, doesn't shake, doesn't pull. Let's give you all a little bit of a brake test here. Stops right on command. Really nice, smooth car. Just a driver, nothing really special, no loud noises. Runs really cool. And for only 158,000 miles, you know, you're pretty much getting a good ride there. But anyway, we're going to turn around up here, get her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.